In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to earn $600 per day by watching YouTube videos, which is a new approach for earning free PayPal money this year. How do you go about doing that? Well, find out soon enough. So I'll show you how to use this strategy and tell you which videos to watch to make the maximum amount of money. As you can see here, this YouTube video is just over a minute long. When you watch these kinds of videos, you're gonna earn $3. You can watch videos like this on your phone or on your computer. So first, I wanted to go on this website. Now, this website is 100% free and you don't need any investments to get started with this. You can earn money from this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and many more. But we're going to be focusing on watching videos because this is the simplest and highest paying thing that we can do on this website. The best part about this website is that when you sign up for an account, you can receive a $1 bonus. To do so, just enter your first name, email address, and choose a username. Then create a password. And on the country section, just click on this drop down arrow right here and you can see that they're accepting from many countries all over the world. So it doesn't really matter where you're coming from. You can get started with this right now and earn a lot of money online. So once you're done with that, click on this box right here after reading the privacy policy and membership agreement. And then just hit the sign up button to register. This website has many different payment options that you can use, but I highly recommend you choose PayPal. This website offers a lot of opportunities for you to earn money online. Like a lot. The great thing is that this website offers really high payout rates, which is something I know many of you want too. You can read it here that you can earn up to 65 to 85%, unlike other websites that only offer you 40 to 60%. So that's pretty amazing, right? Now once you're done signing up, they will take you to this page. As you can see here, they will credit you $1 for every 100 points that you have earned. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, or through e-gift cards. So to continue, just scroll down below and click on this button right here. So once you're done clicking that, you can now log into your account. This is what the dashboard looks like. You can see here that they gave me $1 as a sign-up bonus. You can also see here the earning potentials that you can get by doing the offers. You can check this section right here and see the companies with their offers, which you can do on this website. These are some of the best companies around the world that are really legit. So you can do these offers and earn a lot of money. But as I said earlier, we are going to be focusing on watching YouTube videos because it is the most paying and simplest thing to do. And bear in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. If you guys are enjoying the video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down below. I will really appreciate it if you guys like it, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. We received 1,000 comments on this video stating, "I will make money today." I will post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than this, where you can get money doing simple things like this. So, if this video received 200 likes, I will release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. So, to earn money by watching videos, you need to click on the section right here that says videos, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points that you earn, you'll receive a silver token, which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. And what I like about this is that you can watch different kinds of videos such as food, music, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on and so forth. So all you have to do now is to click on this button right here, which will then take you to this page where you can watch the video. You can see that this video is just over a minute long. And the best part is that you're gonna earn $1 to $3 on this very video alone right here. This is pretty amazing. This website is called gg2u.org. Now, as I promised, here's the bonus tip for you, my avid viewers and subscribers. Watch all the videos from all the different categories all at the same time. Watch all the available videos from food, music, viral, gaming, and all the other applicable categories. To do so, open all the browsers in YouTube, and then you can watch the videos on all the different categories at the same time. And it's even better if you have more devices. So, if you have extra phones and laptops, you can watch the videos through multiple devices at the same time. This is where you can earn more money because you don't really need to actually watch the videos. You can just run them in the background and do anything else that you want or need to do. And you're already earning money just by doing those. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us, and make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, will like this video, share it with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Now with that said, this is it for today's video guys. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.